Today, we are going to install DirectAdmin control panel on Ubuntu server. For those who don't know, DirectAdmin is a web hosting control panel which allows management of server and websites through a web browser. DirectAdmin is a competitor of cPanel. Many of our clients who had personal websites shifted to DirectAdmin when cPanel increased their prices few years back. So if you are hosting a few sites on a dedicated server with cPanel and you want to save money on license cost, then you can take a look at DirectAdmin, which is also a good option. But I want to make it very clear that I am not promoting DirectAdmin. They haven't paid me anything to make this video. I just stated what I noticed and that was my personal opinion. So let's begin. My server is Ubuntu 22.4, but as you can see, DirectAdmin supports lots of other operating system too. I will leave the link in the description below. It also contains lots of other information like partition recommendation, hardware requirement, software requirement, and other things. Also note that your server should have a clean OS installation. Do not install Apache, PHP, MySQL, FTP, or any other software. In case you have already installed something, then you will need to reinstall the server. Also make sure that you have set a valid hostname for your server. At the current moment, my hostname is set to localhost. So let's change it. And we can do this by using command hostnamectl on Ubuntu. So run the command hostnamectl set hostname yt-host.server management plus.com. Now if you look at the hostname, it's been set to yt-host.server management plus.com. It's still showing localhost in the prompt because I haven't relogged in yet. Now I have relogged in and you can see the hostname as yt-host, and if you type the hostname command, it will show the full hostname. For installation, you will need DirectAdmin license key. You can sign up on their site to get a license. Now let's generate the installation command. You will have to put your license key here, but I don't know the license key, so I will simply put auto. This will make the installation script automatically fetch the license key. So let's copy this command and paste it in the SSH. Also note that you will have to run this command as root shell. Running sudo will not work. And in case you are a non-root user, then simply run the command sudo -s. It will take you to the root shell and then paste this command and hit enter. It will start the installation. It will take some time. I will directly skip it to the end. Now the installation is finished. It will display the DirectAdmin login information. Also you will see this message. Custom build installation has started. You may check the progress using the following command: tail-f var log DirectAdmin custom build.sumnumber.log. Now this custom build is an installation and configuration script for DirectAdmin. It is currently installing and configuring Apache, PHP, MySQL, and other softwares. So you can check the status using the command they have provided. As you can see, it's currently installing MySQL. Don't do anything on the server until this custom build is complete. If you reboot or do anything else, then it will not work properly and you will have to run the custom build again. After installation is complete, you can access DirectAdmin from your browser. Put hostname :2222 in your browser and hit enter. You can also replace hostname with your IP address in case it's not pointing to the server yet. It will automatically redirect to HTTPS if SSL is installed. Now put in the username as admin and the password that you got and click on sign in, and you are now logged in. That's all for today. Have a great day.